Before I start this video, I would like to apologize to everyone who watched the video on Monday. I had the wrong phone number in the video, but on the screen is the correct phone number. So if anybody tried to call the other number, you can dial this number, 1-800-524-5805. That is the correct number. So without any further ado, let's kick right into this video. If you've ever gone to a car lot to buy a car or just shop for a car, you know what I'm about to say is the truth. You give them your information, and what happens next? That's right, they shotgun your credit, and wow, all of a sudden, you have 17 inquiries on your credit. But hey guys, never fear, because I have something that's going to make these inquiries disappear in 24 to 48 hours. Now I say 24 to 48 hours, but the reason why I say that, I say it so I can manage your expectations, because I don't want anybody coming at me like, oh my God, it took 49 hours. But truth be told, a lot of these inquiries are removed the same day you make the request. Now, let me give you a scenario. Let's say you want a credit card. So you get on the website, you apply for the credit card, and then you find out that you were denied. And guess what happens? You take, anywhere from a 2 to 6 to 7 point hit on your credit. Now, me personally, I really don't think that's fair. Why should I take a hit and I didn't even get the credit card? I mean, if I got the credit card, okay, cool. I'll take that 2 to 7 point hit. But if I didn't even get the credit card, why would I want to take that hit? That's why this document that I have is so important. This will level the playing field so that we can continue to increase our credit, to continue to make our lives better instead of having to wait 2 years, because you do know once you get hit with an inquiry, it's going to stay on your credit for the next 2 years. And inquiries are worth their weight in gold, damn near literally, because one inquiry could be worth as much as $30, $40, maybe even $50,000, just depending on how you're using your credit. Once you know the method of removing inquiries from your credit report, you will never have to pay another credit repair company ever again. You can do it yourself. And the cool thing about this, once you have this document, you can do this for friends, family. Maybe you want to start your own credit inquiry removal service. This is the same method that I use to clean up my inquiries, probably at least every couple months. So, if you've tried to remove some unwanted inquiries on your credit report, once you receive this document, you're going to know why you were unable to remove those inquiries. The best part about this document, it is a no fluff document. That means I did not put any extra information in it. I just give you the knowledge right there. So the doc is not a very long doc. It is very short, but it gives you everything that you need to be able to remove inquiries from your credit report within 24 to 48 hours. And in some cases, you can get them removed the same day. If you would like your copy of this amazing document, the phone number is on the screen, and you can look down in the description for the phone number as well. That's going to do it for this video. Remember to like and share, and I'll catch you in the next video.